Use the Weather Radar app to display live updates about the weather forecast, tracking real-time storms, wind patterns, air quality, and more. To use the Weather Radar app, go to the Apps tab and add Weather Radar. Give the app a name and a description if needed. Then either use the location of the player or type in a specific location to display the weather from that area. Select the type of map you want to display. Then set the zoom factor, the temperature, length and wind speed units, and set a time zone if needed. You can set the default duration for how long the app will appear in a playlist here. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Then click Save and your app will be ready to display. Simply add the app to your screen content, click Push to Screens, and the app will be showing in no time.